What's going on, guys? Today we're changing the carpet in my 96 Chevy. Starting by removing the seats. One's out, working on the driver's side. It's still decent, but it does have a crack in it, so I'm just gonna change it to the carpet version. And I got the red carpet, so we also have to mock up a hole for my gear shift, which shouldn't be too hard if I lay them out and draw a line and cut it out. It shouldn't be too hard. Now with the seats out, I think I have to disconnect these seat belts on the floor, and these buckles off the floor, and then the trims, and then the middle, and that should be it. While I have those seats out though, I am gonna be cleaning them. So whoever owned them before had a dog. I got most of the hair out when I installed them, but I think I want to do it again. I think these torch bits are 50. Yeah, a T50. I think this flooring is a work truck spec, so I'm not sure if it got put in aftermarket or came with factory. I know my truck's not a Z71, so because I could have power windows, but I don't, and power locks, but I don't. So who knows? It's been like over 30 years that this truck's been around, so who knows what's been changed and whatever's been done to it. This is from me, this cord. It was for my subwoofer setup, but my subwoofer just decided to stop working, so yeah, we just deleted it and left the ground cable. This next one looks a little bit sketchy, but I don't think this one's ever been taken out. I might need a breaker bar for that. Hopefully this should get it to come out, because I don't want to go at it with a drill. Oh! You know what I should do? Penetrating full. Wow. That's never been removed. I also use glue to keep them in. But damn, that's fucking hard to get out. Even with that much leverage. I saw it kind of move, but I don't want to fuck it up. Oh! I think I'm grabbing my torch. Holy shit. Here it is from the bottom. It's definitely fighting me. I'm gonna heat this up. Gonna give it a couple smacks. Basically, I want to move a bit. That's crazy. It's so torqued that I have twisted my bit, which is not ideal. Shit. It just rounded out. Rounded right the fuck out. Snap it clean off. Like, how does that do that? So after fighting with this for like an hour, I decided to chop it, and I've been fighting with this whole door side jam panel, And we found a bit of money and other shit. The amount of sludge that I found in this truck probably hasn't been touched for fucking 20 years. But floor, solid. It's still somewhat white. Took this back carpet off. Everything's good here. Corners are good. There's a little bit of rust over there I could touch up. This side, haven't seen much, but I know that in that corner of the door, there is not a hole starting, but rust is trying to eat it away. So, I'm gonna clean this whole thing up, spray it down, get all the sludge out of the doors, take the trims off, because you know there's gonna be shit in there. These are wire loom thing that's been bolted up, which is kind of nice for running wires, but yeah. Once we've done that, paint over the rust, put a little bit of clear coat on it, let it dry, throw the carpet in, bada boom, bada boom. So I did somewhat mock up stick shift. Because the one that I got is from an automatic. So, yeah, that's about it. Fortunately, I ran out of sunlight, but the carpet is in. The cut that I made for my shifter is a little bit off, just because the old one was so shrunken, worn out, and warped. And the new one that I put in is a bit different. It was for an automatic. So I cut the hole a little bit too far to the right and down, so I cut it a bit more, but this plate should cover the mistakes that I made, which brings me to making this. And I was like, okay, should I make it shiny steel and clear coat it? And she's like, yeah, that'll look a lot better. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Basically, I'm just gonna shine this up tonight, then I'm done for the night, and I'm gonna work on it all tomorrow, and hopefully everything goes well. So I guess I'll make a part 2, and we'll see you in the next one.